Hi, I'm Darius, welcome to Spain. Join me today to visit beautiful villa close to the Mediterranean Sea with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 500 meters of the plot with private solarium, private terrace roof and private swimming pool. Let's go! We've got swimming pool here. South-facing outside space. Spacious living room. Everything you can see is included in the price. Modern kitchen with all appliances included, Bosch appliances. Some outside space where you can hide from the sun or someone. Your carport with nice gardens. And the main entrance. Villa has got alarm system and central air conditioning, cooling, heating system included as well. Bedroom number 1 with the wardrobes. Bathroom. Bedroom number 2. And main bedroom with access to the swimming pool. With walk-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom. And of course, your private terrace, roof terrace, where you can enjoy Spanish sun all year round. So if you like Spain and investing in Spain, follow this channel and text me on WhatsApp number you can find in my profile. See you in Spain. Hasta la vista.